Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Longacre Elementary School, home of the Leopards, here in Farmington, Michigan. My fifth visit to their school. I've been coming every year, 5 years in a row now, and love just coming to share my heart. Some of the students that have seen me, 5 years in a row now, or the staff, but some new ones as well. And we had two separate assemblies. The focus today was on respect, and I love, all throughout the school, there's different paintings and murals and drawings and posters talking about respect. This one right here, this paw, just like the leopard, says offer respect. And that was, again, the primary theme for today's programs. And the sub-theme was that we're all true miracles, right? So the first thing I always talk about in all my assemblies, but especially this particular presentation, is that we have to have that self-respect, right? And that's to remember that we're all true miracles, like the lines on our hand. I trace one of mine here. We all have with the lines on our hand the letter M, and that M stands for miracle. Have at least one on each hand. Sometimes a faint line connects it. And like the front of my shirt, that's what I really try to reinforce, right? Again, through all my assemblies, but especially this one. And the kids really did take that to heart. Once we have that self-respect, well, now we can give it to others. Now we can show that kindness to others. And this world needs a lot more of that. And, through a couple different videos talking about being the bully versus the upstander, the impact of our actions, not just on plants, but on ourselves, human beings, our words, that we have that power to uplift or to tear down. And, hopefully we're going to choose love. Hopefully we're going to choose kindness and know that, if we can kind of put ourselves in another person's shoes and, understand that what we say, what we do could really cause some heart marks, heart bruises, the ones that we don't see, can only feel, then we maybe start rethinking our actions. And that also tied into the concept of POP, which is power of pause, right? Where we take a breath, someone says something mean to us, does something mean to us, we don't just respond right back with, more hate and us, saying something rude right back, because that just makes the situation worse. But if we take a step back and say, okay, what they're saying, what they're doing, it's probably because they're hurting. And the only way that we can maybe reverse that hurt, is if we can rise above that hate, right? Show them the love that they need. And to see that there was a lot of pin drop moments throughout today's sessions gives me hope, to know that these students are really buying into these concepts and these principles that we're pushing, on a daily basis. And, just one kind word can change someone's entire day, maybe their life. That one kind deed goes a long way, right? Talking about lighting a candle, and when you do that, it doesn't lose its flame, right? It, when you use that first candle to light another, the first one keeps the same amount of fire, right? And that's the same with acts of kindness. When we do one, it's never lost, right? Hopefully it just continues to grow and grow and grow, that somebody's gonna do something kind for someone else and someone else and someone else, and have that chain of compassion, more or less. So again, very encouraging for me, to know that these students, teachers are really working hard to make a difference, to be that change that they want to see in this world. And so again, thank you for touching my heart. Hope to see you all again soon. Until then, though, have a great start of 2025. Keep sharing that light, like we talk about the leopards, the Longacre leopards lighting the way here at this school for sure. Hope to see you again soon. And as always, make sure the subscribe button is to pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.